2, 3, 1, 2, audio. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay guys, we have a AM base station here. Just hooked up to the variac here, just bring the voltage up slowly. Basically, this is an old Atlas AM CB radio. Basically what we have here, from what I can tell anyways, you got power switch here, noise limiter here, delta tune, volume, squelch, SWR sensitivity, reverse forward, that's for your SWR. You have your SWR meter, you have your S meter and power meter, channel selector, and your button here for setting up your alarm and setting up the clock. And then you got power, transmit, modulation, microphone, and headphones. And of course, speaker right there. But seems to be the original Atlas microphone. It seems to be modulating, but according to the meters, there's no transmit whatsoever. The clock doesn't seem to be doing anything. Clock appears to be dead. Dead is the proverbial doorknob. So what we have here, basically, we have a dead clock. The light's not coming up here. There don't seem to be any transmit. There don't even seem to be any receive. I got the extra outside antenna put on it, and controls need a good cleaning. But yeah, I guess first step is we're going to take the cover off it and see what I'm dealing with here. Because there she sits. Oh yes, and you all know she got a hump in the speaker. Nope. Let's take the cover off and see what I'm dealing with here. I think the screws have been off the side of this many times. They're chewed up. She's been apart a good many times. Power core is actually an octal tube socket. 8-pin octal tube. That is different. So she's going back a few years, this one. She's different. Let's have a closer look. Okay. So here's what we're looking at. We've got our channel synthesizer with a shit ton of crystals, as you can see. We're doing our synthesizing, and then you got the main board over here. We've got this transformer It's actually a Hammond transformer. Somehow, I don't think this transformer is original. I can't say for sure, but I don't think this transformer is original. I think the transformer has been changed on this. So we got a bulb missing on the channel selector. Well, busted, broken, whatever. There's no bulbs on the two meters. The meters, I can't tell if they're working or not. The clock over here is it's got some kind of black stuff, particles underneath. Don't know what that's all about. I can't say it was very good. I think this one's going to take a bit of work. One thing that's definitely going to have to be done is the capacitors are going to have to be swapped out. I'd say by now they're pretty crappy. We have a overloaded resistor right there. Should get toasty at some point. So let's take a look underneath and see what we're dealing with. Again, I don't think this is original. I'm willing to bet it's not. Okay guys, hold your breath. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so the boards don't look messed with much. They seem to be pretty good. Power supply section on the other hand, yeah, it's been messed with terrible actually. Remember I was mentioning that the Hammond transformer didn't look original? Well, it certainly is not. Ooh, look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. Oh man. It's like the original transformer might have self-destructed. Got scorch marks here and there. We've got a add-on bridge rectifier by the looks of it. The microphone is going in through the mic jack, but it was actually a stereo plug that plugged into this thing, and for some reason they bypassed it. Yeah, I don't understand why, but anyway, they bypassed it. You got wires just taped up. We got capacitors just right on the rectifier, just bouncing around. We got wires that looked like they had heat damage from the transformers. Decided to self-destruct. My oh my oh my. Again, is this transformer supplying the right voltage? Transformer's a center tap. These two green ones are the outputs from the Hammond transformer. AC out. There's a bridge rectifier and power goes on to wherever it goes. Yeah. all I can say is, wow. I guess the first thing I'm going to try to do is find the service manual or schematic or something on this old Atlas. Holy moly. Yeah. Anyways. So the only information on the radio is the Carden Import Company Limited. It's an Atlas. Serial number. But there's no model number on this thing at all. And just dangling. Wow. I guess I'll put this down as part 1. If anybody has or know or get a schematic / service manual for this Atlas base station, please let me know. This is going to take a bit of work, to say the least. Wicked. Before I let you go, I just took the contact cleaner, electrical contact cleaner, Motomaster. Get it at Canadian Tire. Great for this kind of stuff. And I sprayed the controls. I controlled or cleaned out the tilt tune, volume, squelch, SMR sense, and channel selector. And cleaning it up, put some life in there. Skip in there. Nice to hear the skip back there. And that's on that channel 6. Awesome. First time in 35 years this radio was on, apparently. And the first time I got some life into her, there's skip. Test 1, 2. Transmits. One, two. 1, 2. Modulation seems to want to work when it wants to. Anyways. Let's see if we can clean her up some.